So GoPro just had an earnings call and they just released a bombshell of what to expect. Let's just say that 2022 just got a lot more interesting. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to review cool gear that comes my way, but also I do a lot of GoPro stuff, so if you're interested in this, don't be a stranger. Also, if you can click this button right here, that would help out a lot, you know, reaching more people. Links to everything I'm talking about will be down in the description, including the sources that I'm talking about, and also some cool coupon codes for some GoPro accessories. So check it out down there. Oh, also a surprise link. Can't forget that one. So an earnings call is basically telling your investors how you did financially on the last quarter. And GoPro did very well. Good job. But this video isn't about the earnings and all that stuff. This is about what Nick Woodman, the CEO, said about what's to come.
At the end of 2022, we plan to increase our hardware offering from the 2 product types we have today, Hero and Max, to 4 distinct camera products.
It's 4 distinct camera products, so Hero 11, GoPro Max 2, and what else? So before we go further, I'd love to know your speculations, your predictions, and things you would like to see down in the comments. That would be really interesting to read that. You guys have some really good ideas.
I mean, we really make a Hero camera and a Max. And we sell older Hero cameras at lower price points for consumers that are looking for that type of value.
So that's 4 distinct camera products by the end of 2022. So that's not gonna be like the Hero 11, Hero 10, Hero 9, and GoPro Max 2. I don't have the Max, but I have the Fusion. And it's also not gonna be like Hero 11, Hero 11 Silver, Hero 11 Black, and the GoPro Max 2.
Going forward, we think it's important to build very differentiated, specialized solutions for different use cases to appeal to entirely new groups of users.
So he's saying instead of buying one camera to do everything, so you want to buy a Hero 10 to vlog, and you have to get a media mod, you have to get this and that. Or maybe you want to buy the Hero 10 for scuba diving, well, you have to get this and that.
You know, a Hero camera maybe solves, but you know, maybe it's got some other aspects to it that are undesirable for that use case, and the user doesn't need all these other things that the Hero camera does, and so it ends up being more than they need or not enough of what they need.
There will be more focused products that will work better for those uses.
Sometimes more narrow in focus, but can do a much better job more conveniently for the end user than a full-blown Hero camera can today. And in other areas, we think that we can go even further and do even more than a Hero camera can.
He also goes on to say, you know, GoPro, they've won some Emmy Awards because GoPro has been used on a lot of high-end cinema production.
I colonized Mars. In your face, Neil Armstrong.
I make it a point to mention consumer and professional because I think it sometimes gets missed that GoPros are used by professionals the world over, whether it's for film, television, their own commercial purposes. GoPro's success to date is really a proof point of a larger opportunity to serve consumer and professional needs in more specialized ways than we do today with just Hero camera and Max.
Okay, so this is huge news, and I'm pretty excited about it. So what do I think that we can expect to see? Well, of course, the Hero 11, and you can actually see my Hero 11 predictions video right up there. And it sounds like they're gonna update the GoPro Max, so GoPro Max 2, which is gonna be interesting because it's already a really good 360 camera, so I don't know what they're gonna do to pump it out to make it better, but it's gonna be cool to see. And I think it's a no-brainer, but they're gonna jump back into the tiny camera market, bringing back the Session to compete with the Action 2 or the Insta360 Go 2. I don't think they're gonna make it modular, to be honest, because I don't think that a lot of people were asking for that, but I do have a feeling that magnets are gonna be involved. And the next product, which I'm actually really excited about, so hopefully this comes into fruition, but a prosumer level camera. So maybe like a GoPro marketed mirrorless type of camera, you know, bigger sensor, maybe some removable lenses on it, audio jacks, HDMI out, all the things that a prosumer would want on a bigger camera. And honestly, this is something that I would happily update my mirrorless camera line to, because I've always said if I could have a bigger mirrorless camera, you know, with the removable lenses, but the stabilization of GoPro's hyper smooth, that would be like,
shut up and take my money.
And we expect to expand that further by the end of 2023.
And some other products they might have in their lineup going forward, it's like a Bluetooth wireless microphone that connects to the GoPro cameras and even the 360 camera. Also, I think that we can expect some more lens mods. I really don't know why they haven't brought out like a proper macro lens one or a telephoto lenses that they can actually utilize the software to enhance that image and make it better like they do with the Max Lens mod. So hey, I'm excited about this. My bank account, probably not so much. I'll probably be buying this unless GoPro sees me somehow and says, hey, we'll send this to you. But so far, I don't think do you know? Thank you so much for watching and helping this channel grow. It means a lot. Like, this channel's been growing so much faster than I ever expected. So really, thank you very much for that. And also, if you want to check out another cool video, you check out this one right here. And also, Tech is Hard Podcast. It's a weekly live stream podcast where you can join in the conversation, ask some questions, just join in. So see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.